Hey students, Codebase hacks ruining your hard work? Tired of those late-night debugging disasters caused by tiny security flaws? We've got your back. Welcome to AiToolslink, where we help you stay smart, sharp, and secure. Today, we're breaking down 5 incredible AI tools that every IT student needs to protect their codebases and boost those grades. Let's dive into the tools that can turn your project from vulnerable to unbreakable. Tool 1, DeepSecure AI. Tool 1 is DeepSecure AI, your personal code bodyguard. Feature: real-time vulnerability scanner that detects risky code patterns as you type. Benefit: stops SQL injections, XSS attacks, and logic flaws before they become a nightmare. Imagine this. Final year student Priya was working on her capstone project when DeepSecure flagged a major API flaw. She fixed it instantly, and her professor was so impressed she scored top marks. Don't sleep on this tool. DeepSecure gives your code eyes of its own. Tool 2, GuardianBot. Tool 2 is awesome. It's called GuardianBot. Feature: uses AI to automatically review your code for security best practices, like a TA who never sleeps. Benefit: submitting. Polished, secure code means fewer reworks and better feedback. Second-year student Miguel used GuardianBot during a group project. While others were manually checking for flaws, he caught a risky permissions bug in seconds. His teammates were stunned and grateful. GuardianBot: less stress, more confidence. Tool 3, CyberShield GPT. Don't miss Tool 3, meet CyberShield. GPT. Feature: a natural language AI assistant that you can chat with to analyze code threats and suggest fixes. Benefit: great for beginners. Learn why a security issue matters and how to fix it. CyberShield GPT helped Sarah, a first-year student, understand a buffer overflow error in her Python script. It didn't just fix it, it taught her. Now she's teaching others. This tool doesn't just secure your code, it levels you up. Tool 4, RepoWatch AI. Next up, RepoWatch AI. Feature: monitors your entire GitHub repo 24/7 for suspicious changes, leaks, or exposed secrets. Benefit: avoid the horror of accidentally uploading your API keys or passwords. Instant alerts, instant action. A student named Jake once pushed an open source app with exposed AWS credentials. Yikes. But with RepoWatch, the next time he got an alert within seconds and saved himself from a costly mistake. Stay alert, stay safe. RepoWatch has your back. Tool 5, CodeCryptor.ai. Finally, we've got CodeCryptor.ai, the encryption genius. Feature: auto-encrypts sensitive data in your code using strong cryptographic methods. No math degree required. Benefit: secure. User data for privacy-first projects, plus extra points from security-conscious profs. Whether it's storing passwords or processing personal data, CodeCryptor makes sure your app respects privacy from day one. Trust us, your future self will thank you. And there you have it, 5 AI tools to lock down your codebase and power up your projects. From catching bugs early to protecting your secrets, these tools are built for students just like you. Ambitious, creative, and ready to code smarter. Which one will you try first? Drop your favorite tool or your own coding security hack in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more AI tools and tips from AiToolslink. We've got new videos every week to keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. See you in the next one.